do it. Doing to be nice. He's trying to get up. Julian, don't let him do it, okay? Go, Cameron, go. Not gonna do it.
I don't think it worked. It hasn't gone anywhere, dear. Oh, no, Dot. The piece of paper doesn't go down the phone line. Just the information on it.
Are you stuck?
It took me a while to get to grips with all this newfangled technology. Would you mind just showing me again?
There you go. You can do it.
Scoop to Bob and Mike. Can you hear me? Over.
Hi, Scoop.
There you go. Good job. Good job, buddy. Good job. Well, are you strong? You're bound and determined to get your brother's drink, aren't you?